Boom, what is up guys? I'm Ivan, I'm a YouTuber, and today I'm going to be making myself a peanut butter tortilla. Dad, is this a tortilla? It's a tortilla. I got my peanut butter here. It's actually pretty good. Peanut butter tortilla is actually good. So it's going to be toasted as well. Okay. Put some peanut butter here. Spread all that. It's gonna be good, guys. Oopsie, I also touched it. It's okay. Right there. I wash my hands. It's okay, guys. Okay, spread all around. Get some more. Put it over here. Look, this looks nice, guys. I am very hungry. Get a little bit more over here. Make sure it's dirty everywhere. That's how I like my sandwiches, as you can see. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the other side, and then we're done. The other side. So if you guys hear nothing, my dad's here. He's cooking. He's making something. He's making pancit, I think. So yeah.
Walang pabasa itong kanin nito.
Okay na po yan.
Ha?
That's okay daw.
Baka hindi pa.
It's okay. Okay na po.
Huwag ka, hindi na magsasaing.
Aba. My dad is just telling me that rice is okay. I said yes, it is. I'll be fine with that rice.
Ito ba na?
Yes.
Alam mo, parang ang konti.
Ano nga, sige ba, sige.
Tama na yun, ang dami yung pagkaragyan ng ubus mo. Tama na yun.
Okay guys, so there, my tortilla sandwich. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting it in the toaster. Pretty good on that. Okay guys, I'm just gonna coat my peanut butter. And we're gonna put this in here. And let's toast it, guys. Follow me. Naka-on na ba ito pa? Okay, palagi ko na. Okay, so nandito pa rin over here. Nakaganto lang. Ayan. Okay, now close it. That. Now put this right here. Tapos gano'n ko lang pa. Okay guys, so it's heating up. While we're waiting, I'm gonna eat this leftover peanut butter, guys. There's my daddy. Here we go. I'll put it on my hands. I'm just wash my hands, okay guys? I'm back, guys. I'm back. Hello. Go. It's almost done. It's almost done. I'm just gonna turn this away. So it's not yet green. We need to wait. It's been 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
4 minutes ang tagal nun, naiinip ko.
Hindi pa ito yung YouTube. Okay na ba ito pa? Is that good now?
Minute.
It's done, guys. I get my...
Foundation.
How about ito malit na lang? Quick! Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, the best. So guys, I got my peanut butter tortilla here. I'm waiting for it to cool off and I'm gonna eat it. So I'm gonna get the chair. I'm excited to eat this tortilla. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Not really though. Oh, you can see that peanut butter in there. Oh, I guess I'm gonna take a bite. It's really good. It's amazing, guys. Here's my tortilla peanut butter sandwich. Tortilla sandwich. Peanut butter tortilla. You must try it. This is actually pretty good. It's like a good little like breakfast snack. Yeah. Okay, that's the end for the video, guys. You guys should do. Bye.